Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings in Bangalore and across Karnataka regions. So these jobs are provided by the tech curators. So they are hiring for the justdial. So if you want to register for the openings mentioned in this video, I am going to include contact number, mail ID and Google form and website link in the description. So you can check in the description to register for the positions. So let's move into the video. So firstly, there are openings for field sales executives. So freshers and both experienced candidates are eligible to apply. Total 200 vacancies are available. So coming to candidate profile, graduate or postgraduate with good communication skills in English and Kannada is required, and you should be presentable, and the age limit should be up to 30 years. So you should require PAN Aadhaar card documents. Like coming to CTC, it would be like for freshers 25,000 rupees per month, and also incentives will be provided. For experienced candidates, it would be based on your last drawn CTC. So coming to job description, you need to make cold calls in the given territory, and also you need to identify prospect customers and explains products as per the line of business through a virtual presentation. And also the candidate should needs to handle the entire cycle of sales, and also follow up with existing customers, upsell, cross sales, and you need to build leads from existing customers. So working days would be 6 days per week, and also you should require bike and smartphone is mandatory. Next one, there are openings for telemarketing executives. So freshers and experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for these telemarketing executives. Total 300 vacancies are available. So coming to candidate profile, graduate with good communication skills in English and Kannada is required. So coming to CTC, for freshers it would be up to 21,000 rupees per month, and also incentives. So for experienced candidates, it would be based on your last drawn CTC. So coming to job description, you need to make the cold calls, telesales, and also you need to generate the leads for potential sales, and also you need to educate the clients about just jail services or product line. So working days would be 6 days per week, and the age limit should be up to 30 years. So they are giving preference for both freshers and for both the locations. So for freshers, 60% preference will be given, and 40% for experienced candidates in hiring process. So if you want to apply for these positions, I already told you. So I'm going to provide all the details in the description to apply for this position. So you can go through with the description. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.